Here we are. Look at that flood. Out there's my neighbor's pond. Right there. The rest of this just was an open valley. Looking down the hill here. The whole road is covered. There's the line of trees right there. And curving, you can see a little curve going off to the right. That's the bridge. Well, you can see the bridge there. But right there, that line of trees, that's the road. And it is flooded. And it's still sprinkling rain. Hear a car down here. People come through. Trying to come through. Better change your mind. Oh well, I thought I'd let you see that all down the valley. I mean flooded. But try to stay dry. Talk to you later.